Joining us now is Democratic Congresswoman from New Jersey, Bonnie Watson-Coleman, who was with Congresswoman McIver at the ICE facility on the day in question. Congresswoman, we appreciate you joining us. Have you spoken to Congresswoman McIver ahead of today's hearing? Are you worried for her?
I'm not worried for her that at the end of the day, she's not absolved of any of these unnecessary and politically motivated allegations against her. I am concerned that we're all under pressure, wondering what they're going to do next and under what rules are they going to determine what they're going to do. But, you know, Monica is strong, and I speak to her every day. I'm with her every day. Rob and I are standing with her. We were there in the midst of it. And these allegations against her and this process that they're going forward with her, I believe is purely politically motivated.
We're watching the video. We've shown it so many times and tried to dissect it, but really want our viewers to judge for themselves what's happening here. We see you in the video with her there in the tan. Here's how the DOJ describes McIver's actions. The criminal complaint says that she slammed her forearm into the body of one officer, forcibly grabbed him, forcibly struck another officer. You were there. Is that what happened?
No, and not to any of my knowledge, and I was standing pretty close to her. But all I kept hearing was, get your hands off of me, get your hands off of me. Please don't touch me. Don't touch her. Don't touch us. That's what we were in the middle of a crush. You have to recognize that around 20 fatiguely dressed, masked, and weaponized individuals came at us at the same time. So it was an issue of close contact, but mostly we just did not want anyone to be crushing us. And she kept saying, please don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me.
The interim U.S. attorney who is moving forward with these charges says she wanted to avoid charges. McIver says that Alina Habba wanted her to admit to doing something that she didn't do. Now, the AP reported yesterday that you're scheduled to meet with Alina Habba today. Is that still happening?
No, she's moved it now till Thursday. And Alina Habba is trying to find a way to get out of this thing as gracefully as she can. But if she thinks that she's going to extract from us any kind of admission to any wrongdoing, she's wrong. She's wasting her voice, her time, and her effort. This is an act of intimidation, and we're not going to be intimidated. We're going to do our job. And our job of oversight was extremely important in a place that opened without having any of the inspections done to ensure that where the people would be housed, the facility would be safe and clean, health care would be there, food would be there, etc. And at the end of the day, after all of this unnecessary chaos started by ICE, we were given our tour.
Are you concerned you could be charged next?
I'm concerned that they could try to, yes. So, you know, concerned only in that I believe that they abuse the rule of law. Not concerned because I did anything wrong. None of us did anything wrong. We tried to do our job, and there was no reason for the situation to go into that direction. And so I'm concerned. I don't know what they think they're going to do, but I'm not concerned about the outcome.
And again, you and your colleagues say you were there to do the congressional oversight. That's part of your responsibilities. The other person who was a part of all of this, who we've discussed, is the Newark mayor, Ras Baraka. He was initially charged with trespassing. He was arrested on site. Those charges were dismissed. Here's what he now is saying about these new charges that Congresswoman McIver is facing.
I didn't see any of the things that were stated. I didn't see any of those things happen. So I think that the Congresswoman will be vindicated. Elected officials are being targeted in this country. And, you know, unfortunately, the people there were being targeted.
Do you expect that you will all be vindicated in the court of law, and at the end of the day that this is going to be sort of a breakthrough or precedent-setting situation?
I do, and what I think that we also need people to recognize that there's no reason to be moving forward in this manner. And this is only a deflection away from the things that the administration and Republican Congress are doing, trying to pass budgets that are going to hurt people in their health care, trying to increase their costs, trying to take food out of the mouths of children, and doing it in the dark of night so that people aren't paying attention, so that they think that the things that they do in the dark don't come out in the light. But I assure them that we're going to share that information in the light of day. So this here stuff, which is just stuff, is a deflection away from all the corruption of this administration.
Congresswoman Bonnie Watson Coleman, thank you so much for the discussion. We appreciate your time today.